Understanding the 12 zodiac signs, characteristics and nature of each star sign. The 12 zodiac signs, characteristics, nature, and personality traits revealed. The world of astrology is filled with fascinating insights into our personalities, emotions, and behaviors. The 12 zodiac signs offer a window into understanding ourselves and the people around us. Each sign has unique characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses. In this blog, we'll dive into the 12 zodiac signs and characteristics and nature to reveal what makes each star sign special. Aries, March 21st to April 19th. Aries is known for its fiery passion and strong leadership qualities. People born under this sign are energetic, enthusiastic, and ambitious. They're not afraid to take risks, and their independent nature makes them natural-born leaders. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Taurus is an earth sign, representing stability and reliability. Individuals born under Taurus are known for their persistence, practicality, and love of comfort. They value security and can be very loyal. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. Geminis are known for their curious minds and adaptability. They have a dual nature, symbolized by the twins, which makes them versatile and quick-witted. Geminis are social beings who enjoy engaging conversations. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd. Cancer is a deeply emotional and intuitive sign. People born under Cancer are nurturing and protective, often putting others' needs above their own. They are loyal and value family and close friendships. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Leos are known for their confidence, charisma, and natural leadership abilities. They are creative, passionate, and love being in the spotlight. Leos enjoy expressing themselves and are driven by their desire for recognition. Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd. Virgos are analytical and detail-oriented, with a strong sense of duty. They are practical, hardworking, and perfectionists. Virgos are often reliable friends and make excellent problem solvers. If you want read this article, visit my website.